Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ronnie George. I'm a registered Indian patent agent practicing patent law from last 10 years. So the topic that we are going to discuss today is a very important one. The topic is patent renewal fees in India. This topic is especially important for those applicants who have recently received grant on their patent application, or for those applicants who have filed their patent application and are looking forward to receive patent grants soon. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the topic. So what is patent renewal fees? Well, a patent renewal fee, sometimes also known as patent maintenance fee or patent annuity fees, is an yearly fee which the applicant for a patent has to pay to the patent office once their application is granted in order to keep their patent in force. Now what that means is, once a patent application is granted, the work is not done. In order to keep your patent in force for 20 years from the filing date, which is the life of a patent, you have to pay an yearly fee to the patent office, and they make sure that your patent application or your patent remains active for those 20 years. Now what happens if you don't pay this patent renewal fees? Well, if you don't pay this, your patent will get abandoned and it will fall into the public domain, and anyone will be free to use your invention without your permission. So it's very important that you track the timelines of paying the patent renewal fees and pay the patent renewal fees within that timeline, so you do not miss your rights over your patent. When do you start paying the patent renewal fees? Well, as per the Indian Patents Act, when a patent application is granted, for the first 2 years from the filing date, the applicant will not have to pay any renewal fees. But from the starting of third year till the 20th year, the applicant will have to pay the annual maintenance fee or the renewal fee to keep their patent in force. Now let's understand this with an example in a situation where the patent application is granted before the end of 2 years from the filing date. So in such a situation, the first 2 years the patent applicant will not have to pay any renewal fees, but before the starting of the third year from the filing date, the patent applicant will have to pay the renewal fee for the third year. Similarly, before the starting of the fourth year, the patent applicant will have to pay the renewal fee in the third year itself for the fourth year. So this will go on till the 20-year period. In another situation where the patent application gets granted after 2 years of the filing date, for example, in a situation, let's say the patent application gets granted after 5 years of the filing date. Now what happens in such a scenario? Well, in such a scenario, from the date the application is granted, the patent applicant will have a period of 3 months to pay the patent renewal fees from the third year onwards till the period which have been lapsed, that is the 5th year, and before the starting of the 6th year, the patent applicant will have to make sure that they pay for the 6th year as well. So this will make sure that the pending renewal fees, that is from the third year to the 5th year, is also paid by the applicant, as well as for the next year, which is the 6th year, the patent applicant pays the renewal fee in the 5th year itself, and this goes on for the remaining 20 years. Now let's understand the patent renewal fee structure in India. So the patent renewal fee is broadly divided into 2 categories. The first category includes applicants that are individual inventors, startups, small entities, educational institutions. And the other category includes the applicants which does not fall under the applicants of the first category. For example, a multinational company or a large entity. Now let's understand the patent renewal fees, how it is divided. So as we discussed in the earlier section, the patent renewal fee starts from the third year to the 20th year. So the fee is divided year-wise. So from third year to the 6th year, the patent renewal fees for the first category of applicants is 800 rupees per year, and for the applicants of second category is 4,000 rupees per year. Then starting from the 7th year to the 10th year, it is 2,400 per year for the first category applicants and 12,000 per year for the second category applicants. Then starting from the year 11 to year 15, the fees for first category of applicants is 4,800 rupees per year, and for the category of applicants in the second category is 24,000 rupees per year. Similarly, for the years 16 to 20, the fees for the first category of applicants is 8,000 rupees per year, and for the second category of applicants it is 40,000 rupees per year. And this fees that we have discussed is the online fees. There is also another provision of offline mode of paying the fees. So the difference between both of them is, in online fees you can visit the IP India website and you can pay the fees online through their website. But in case of the offline fees, what you can do is you can visit the Indian Patent Office and then you can pay the fees physically to the patent office. So the fee structure of the offline fees is slightly different. It is 10% higher in comparison to the online fees. So I hope the patent renewal fee structure in India is understood by all of you. Now let's move on to the next topic. What happens if you miss paying the patent renewal fee? So as we discussed in the earlier section, if you miss paying the patent renewal fees, your patent will be abandoned and it will fall in the public domain. But before that happens, there are certain precautionary measures or remedies by the Indian Patent Office which can help you to resolve the issue. So let's understand what are these measures that have been provided by the Indian Patent Office. So the first one is that, even if you miss the deadline for filing the patent renewal fees, the Patent Office still provides you with a grace period of 6 months where you can file the Form 4, which is request for extension of time, and you can increase the deadline for filing the patent renewal fees till 6 months and you can pay within those 6 months, and this will prevent your patent from getting abandoned. The second measure or solution which has been provided by the Indian Patent Office is restoration of lapsed patent. Now what that means is, in case your patent gets lapsed due to non-payment of the renewal fees, you have a provision where you can file Form 15 in the Patent Office, and this has to be done before 18 months from the date on which your patent was lapsed. And once you do this, you also have to give a justification that why you missed paying the patent renewal fees within timeline. And in case the patent examiner or the controller is satisfied with your justification, they may allow your patent to again get back into force, and this will prevent your patent from getting abandoned. So now we are at the last section of this video, which is the new amendments or the recent amendments which has been brought by the Indian Patent Office in 2024. Well, as per these amendments, now if an applicant is paying the patent renewal fees for 4 years in advance, in that case they will get a 10% discount on the rate. So this is one of the benefits which have been provided by the Indian Patent Office to the applicant. The other one is, in case the patent applicant fails to pay the patent renewal fees for the extended 6 months grace period which has already been provided by the Indian Patent Office, in that case also they have an option to file petition under Rule 138 and ask for another 6 months to pay the patent renewal fees. So these two amendments have been recently brought by the Indian Patent Office with respect to patent renewal fees in it. So that was it in this topic. I'm sure you would have learned something interesting about patent from this video, and this will be useful for you if you are an applicant or who had received their patent grant or who is looking forward to receive it soon. So make sure that you pay the patent renewal fees within time and keep your patent in force and use it to the maximum benefit. Thank you and see you in the next video.